I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox dance edits. First, you'll need to select a captivating dance animation from the Roblox catalog, or even create your very own unique moves. Next, find a perfect song that truly complements the dance style and its tempo, ensuring a harmonious blend. Finally, record your Roblox avatar performing the dance in a clean, well-lit environment, capturing all the details for your edit. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing process. Once your footage is ready, import both your recorded video and chosen audio into your preferred editing software. The key here is precise synchronization. Align the dance movements perfectly with the beat of the music. Don't forget to trim any unnecessary footage and experiment with cutting between different camera angles. This creates a dynamic and engaging flow, keeping your viewers captivated from start to finish. Aim for seamless transitions. Now, let's elevate your edit with some exciting enhancements. Apply visual effects like smooth slow motion, dramatic speed ramps, or vibrant color grading to set the perfect mood. Consider incorporating stylish text overlays or motion graphics for titles and smooth transitions between scenes. Also, experiment with sound effects to emphasize specific dance moves, adding an extra layer of polish. These details can truly make your dance edit stand out. Finally, it's time to export and share your masterpiece with the world. Export your finished dance edit in a high-quality video format such as MP4, ensuring crisp visuals and clear audio. Choose appropriate aspect ratios. For example, 16:9 for platforms like YouTube or 9:16 for short-form content like TikTok. Then, share your amazing creation on your favorite social media platforms to reach a wider audience and get feedback. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.